subscriber. Ito na naman tayo, early in the morning. I'm making rainbow cake for Rebecca's birthday. Yeah, this is a rainbow cake. You can see there's a lot of rainbow. Yeah, it's Rebecca's birthday for kids' birthday cake. Making my cake. Yay! Just continue follow Teen Vlog. Subscribe her. Teens, yeah. I will show you later my rainbow cake. Kailangan lang natin mga kabayan ang ating dalawang round pan for our one recipe. Ating cake for our birthday celebration today, mga kabayan. Rain, para hindi lumikit yung inyong cake. That's it. So, mix lang natin. Ayan yung ating rainbow cake. We're done. No need blender. Just use your hand. Ito na. Ilalagay na natin sa ating pan. Divide natin sa dalawa. Okay. Ating cake. Today, our rainbow cake. Ito na siya, yung ating cake. Two. Meron tayong rainbow cake. Meron tayong chocolate cake. Dalawa yung ating cake today. So, very simple. Rainbow cake and chocolate cake. Just 1 pack of chocolate. Moist cake, tea, and add 1 cup of water or milk. And then add oil, half cup. Very simple. Put your egg, 3 eggs. Yep. Squeeze the egg. Okay. 3 of this. Okay, na natin yung ating 3 eggs. Mix again like the rainbow cake. Yep. Continuous mixing. Ganun lang kasimple, guys, gumawa ng cake. So, our oven is ready for rainbow cake. So, lalagay na natin yung ating rainbow cake sa ating oven. Ibibake natin yung ating cake sa 33 minutes. And then, it will be start 33. Okay. Siya dyan, mga kabayan. So, it's cooking now. For 350 and 33 minutes. Loob na siya. Hintayin na. While waiting our rainbow cake, meron tayong isang chocolate cake. Dalawa. For our celebrant, dear Rebecca. Birthday. Ng aming Rebecca na 8 years old. Cake's done. That's the one. You can see the rainbow inside. Yep. To cool down for 10 minutes. Wait, na natin siya dito. Yep. And then we'll turn. Upside down. Just do it like that. And we'll see. That's it. We will remove. Perfect. Rainbow. That is our rainbow cake. Yep. Yeah. We'll move a little. Cake. So, time for our chocolate cake. Yep. Yeah, half of same sa ating rainbow cake. Half. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yep, this is it. Lalagay na naman natin sa oven natin. Our chocolate cake is inside the oven. Waiting. Meron tayong chocolate icing flavor natin. Itong chocolate, yung isa naman is like a blanc, is something like a vanilla flavor, white, and this is for our rainbow cake. This is for our chocolate cake. We will mix our blanc and chocolate. Yeah. Need to open. Something that the sour. Yeah. Yep. Just do it like that. Easy. This is for our rainbow cake. The other one is our chocolate cake. Make this one too. Let's do it like that. Yeah, you mix for 1 minute like that. Para nagiging soft siya. Put chocolate. This is for our rainbow. Easy. Easy to make cake, guys. Today's for Father's Day. At the same time, it's Rebecca's birthday. And cake for Rebecca, cake for the church, Catholic Church, and for my dear husband, Father's Day. Okay, guys. Okay, hang on, guys, hang on. Chocolate is done. Done. Wow, it's hot. It's done. It's here. So we need to let it cool down. Again. Wow, it's hot. Okay. Guys, we need 10 minutes to cool down bago natin i-transfer sa plate. Okay. I think it's already cool. 10 minutes. Try natin. Oh. I'm sloppy. Oh, I break it. I break ko yung isa. And then, turn ko siya ulit. I think, I don't know if I'm doing good. Okay? Yeah. Turn natin ulit siya dito. Upside down, I want to top. I will do it just one layer. Yep. Dalawa na siya. Yung ating chocolate cake and rainbow cake. Yep. 4. See? Yan na yung ating chocolate and rainbow cake. So, lalagyan natin siya ng icing later. The chocolate icing and the vanilla icing. So, it's easy. Palamigin lang natin siya ng konti. Kasi, mamamelt yung ating icing. It's still little warm. So, yeah, show you guys how to make easy, single layer lang siya. Ayoko na siya i-double kasi this is for Father's Day. Father's Day for my husband. For Rebecca's birthday, chocolate and and one rainbow and one for the church, or maybe I will bring 2 for the church, or chocolate and yeah, and vanilla. Look at my cake. Yep. This one, the 8th, or Rebecca's birthday, 8 years old. So this is it. 8. Yep. 8 years old. Yeah, her birthday, 8 years old. That's my cake, her 8th birthday. 8 years old. Look at that, the cake that I bake. Yep, right, yeah. Chocolate cake. 2 chocolate cakes and 2 rainbow cake. This is easy to bake the cake, hey? For party or something. Just very, very quick and simple. Just don't want to do too much decor, simple cake. Yep. Very cheap. There. Pwede nyo ipagpatong din 2 layers, and sa top is a smaller one if you have baking, so you can do it.